This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Teresa Guy. This diamond in the rough has lots of potential. 2 bed, 1 bath, plus flex space with attached 1-car garage. Renovations have begun in the bathroom, just waiting for your finishing touches. Knotty pine paneling in the living room and family room. Some newer windows. Baseboard heat, no central heat and air. Being sold as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Teresa Guy at 865-966-1111.